From raw metal to a naked legend, watch the birth of the Honda CB750 Hornet. No fairings.
It begins inside one of the most advanced motorcycle factories on Earth. High-tensile steel arrives, the spine of the Hornet's frame. Laser cutters shape the backbone with micrometer accuracy. A 1,500-ton press stamps the twin-spar frame in seconds.
Robots weld the chassis, plate, seamless, strong, weight optimized.
Every weld is X-rayed. Zero defects allowed.
The swing arm is milled from a single aluminum block for rigidity.
The 755cc parallel twin engine takes shape, full of life, 91 horsepower waiting to breathe.
Camshafts timed to perfection. Every bolt torqued by AI-guided tools.
The crankshaft spins at 10,000 RPM during testing tests. Silky smooth. Water jackets tested for leaks under pressure. Showa SFS BP forks. Inverted, big piston, ready for attack.
The rear shock is tuned for street fighter aggression and daily comfort.
Heart meets skeleton. The engine becomes a stressed member.
Rear suspension linkage assembled with high-pressure grease.
Forks clamped into CNC machined triple trees. Razor steering geometry. Twin 296mm floating discs and 4-piston Nissan calipers, stopping power.
Rear brake system matched for balanced braking feel.
Dual-channel ABS integrated. Dyno. Safety without intruding on fun.
10-spoke wheels wrapped in sticky performance tires and Tinker's 120 front, 160 rear.
The 15.2-liter fuel tank, pressed and sealed, shaped for knee grip. Matte black metallic paint applied by electrostatic robots.
The Hornet logo laser etched, a sting in every line.
Aggressive LED headlights, the Hornet's signature stare.
All LED lighting, visible, modern, energy sipping.
A 5-inch full TFT dash connects you to ride modes and telemetry.
Wide, tapered handlebar, Evenfunes naked bike ergonomics for control.
Rear set foot pegs for sporty stance and ground clearance.
Stainless steel 2-into-1 exhaust, tuned for a deep growl.
The muffler, dual exits, road legal but aggressive. Sealed chain drive, low maintenance, high torque transfer. Airbox feeds cool air to 36mm throttle bodies. UPS instant response.
The ECU, brain of the Hornet, mapped for mid-range punch.
Lithium-ion battery hidden under the pillion seat.
Split seat TFU, rider focused, pillion optional.
Every Hornet hits the dyno. Welding, 91 horsepower, verified at the crank.
Water intrusion test. Riding through monsoon simulated.
High-frequency vibration test. Open tube, no loose bolts allowed.
Euro 5 compliance verified. Dan. Ushu, clean but mean.
Human eyes inspect every panel, weld, and bolt.
Paint thickness checked with laser, Sepix, perfection only.
Protective film applied. Factory fresh delivery.
Crated for the world. From Japan to your garage. First start, the Hornet breathes fire. A naked powerhouse leaves its cage.
No fairings, just fury. The Hornet's natural habitat.
Cornering clearance made for aggressive lean. Engineering meets emotion. The naked bike redefined. Every part has a purpose. No plastic hiding the truth.
If you loved seeing the Hornet come alive, hit like and subscribe to Factory Wheels. More naked beasts coming soon. Ride safe.